Please.
Violent force.
Can you say more, please? Gracie?
Mommy, I need to babysit.
You need to babysit? Okay. Gracie, can you say more? Say more, please. Gracie, can you pick up your cup, please? Pick up the cup. It doesn't go on the floor.
No.
It goes on the table.
No.
Gracie, pick up your cup, please. Gracie, pick up your cup, please. Put it on the table. Good job. Can you say please again? Look at Mommy. Say more, please. Do you want more food, Gracie? Grace?
Please.
Okay, say please. Say more, please. What do you say?
Please.
Okay, good girl.
Hey, mine.
Liam, the pillows don't go in the kitchen. Put them back, please. Do you want more, Gracie?